do first. How we'll start out.
All right. Thank you, Dennis. Thank you, my friend. Great to be here. Okay, I'll go with it. Dennis Brown, everybody. I love Dennis. We've been friends many years. We'll do a song that I wrote that's on the latest album that we released.
That's 6.
The album is entitled Country Music Lives On. By the way, I love Vanceburg. I love Vanceburg. I love Concord too. But there ain't much left of it anymore, but it's still home. And as Dennis said, my mother lives there in the same house I was born in. And that was about 20 years ago, I guess. No. Mom just turned 97 years old just a couple of weeks ago. And she's a blessing. Still got a great mind and gets around. And I love Lewis County too. There's a song I wrote about. I wrote this about my wife. She and I got married 5 years ago on the beach down in Florida on the St. Petersburg beach. And I got this T-Bird, and the fact is she don't even like to drive it and won't even drive it, but I wrote this song. It's called She's on Her Way to Florida in the T-Bird. I woke up this morning, never heard a sound. I looked everywhere, she was nowhere to be found. Then I saw a text she sent, I couldn't believe the words. She said, I'm on my way to Florida in the T-Bird. She's out there on the highway rolling southbound. Hair blowing in the breeze, she's probably got the top down. She loves that Florida sunshine, she loves St. Petersburg. She's on her way to Florida in the T-Bird. The next text she sent said, you know I love you so. But it's cold in Kentucky, I can't stand that ice and snow. I just had to get away, don't worry, I'll be fine. I'll be back when the snow's gone come springtime. She's out there on the highway rolling southbound. Hair blowing in the breeze, she's probably got the top down. She loves that Florida sunshine, she loves St. Petersburg. She's on her way to Florida in the T-Bird. She's on her way to Florida in the